Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Earthling Dina, that's me. And I talk about all things green on this channel, like plant sustainability and plant-based food. Today I am showing you just kind of me moving my plant shelf and styling it. I recently moved to this apartment and I'm still figuring out what to do with my decor. I still don't have everything that I want, so it's constantly rearranging and constantly cleaning, because if you know me, if you follow my Instagram or you've been here before, I have 3 pets. It's a 1-bedroom, so it's not too bad, but still, it gets dirty. This is where my couch is now, and yeah, I needed a snack break. I want to move it because it kind of takes up both of these 2 walls, even though it doesn't need that much space. So I thought, why don't I move it into the other corner where my shelf was, so that I can move my shelf against the smaller wall. That way I can get the sunlight from the golden hour, from the evening sun, for my plants. That way I don't have to spend a lot of money on electricity and grow lights, which is always great. I'm trying out new things with my couch. I was like, maybe I'll put it against the window like this, but I didn't like how it looked. And also my dog, you see him on the other side there. When he's inside, he likes to look outside, so that kind of would block it, and that would suck for him. So this is what I ended up with. It was closer to the table than I wanted, but I ended up cleaning up later and it looked fine. We'll see what happens. But anyway, this area here, I'm going to take everything off the wall. My bar cart is already there now. I'm going to leave that there. I think that's where it'll stay, but I think I'll end up putting other stuff around it, not plants. But it's all a work in progress, and it doesn't all happen one day. If you're looking to rearrange and style your place too, don't try to get it all done at once. I would say just piece by piece is the way to go, especially if you want to do it sustainably too. Like all of this that you see here, all of these pieces, the shelf, the bar cart, my couch, they're all secondhand. And it's taken me a while to get them, but I also got them cheaper and they're more sustainable. So this is how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on Instagram at EarthlingDina for more updates on my thrifted home and my plants.